Hi guys, and happy Sunday. Today is Mother's Day in France, so happy Mother's Day to every mothers. I wish you a good day. I hope you I know you're working hard every day, and yeah, that's not easy. I have one mother at home and I have one mother not at home, but yeah, I see the whole the hard work that you put on, and yeah, wish you a happy Mother's Day from France. We have I won't say a tradition in France. It's just at home with babe. We're doing like when it's Mother's Day or birthday or Father's Day on any type of day. The person who's celebrating her day don't do much thing in terms of it's Mother's Day today, so I'm gonna cook breakfast, I'm gonna clean, she not gonna do anything. That's what we used to do. Is like that's Thursday. So happy Mother's Day again. I'm going to make breakfast because about what that just says. So yeah, have a good day.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, y'all. I'm low-key on my queen behavior today. Low-key being a queen all day today. You know why? Today is Mother's Day in France. It's 2 weeks after Mother's Day in the USA and most parts of the world, and today is Mother's Day in France, so I get to celebrate Mother's Day twice every year. I celebrate Mother's Day with Jamaica and I celebrate Mother's Day with France. So I slept in this morning, I got breakfast made by babe, and I got kisses from babe and Tyler, and I got a gift from babe. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from babe, and I'm gonna try it on at the same time. Tyler is actually here eating lunch. You wanna say hi, faves? Have you talked to the faves all morning? So eat and say morning. Tell faves what you're doing. You're eating fries and what? And what else?
And the fish.
Yeah. Say happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
I love you.
Delaveaus.
Say happy Mother's Day, Grandma.
Happy Mother's Day, Grandma.
Happy Mother's Day, Tata.
Happy Mother's Day, Tata. And then the book.
So let me show you guys what what babe got me for Mother's Day. Let me show you. This is the box. I think is super cute. This is the first time I've actually seen the box. And I know what it is, so it's not like it's a surprise. These earrings, which is so cute. You guys, I just washed my hair, so my hair is looking all sleek and wet. So these are the earrings I got, that babe got me. You guys know I love some big earrings. So let's put those in the ears. You soon get to talk to faves. So these are my Mother's Day gift, you guys, and Tyler want to talk to you guys. They're super cute and I love them. They're so light. See faves there?
I'm cooking my cupcake.
You're cooking cupcakes? Where are you cooking cupcake?
On the four.
It's in the oven?
That is in the oven. It's very hot.
It's very hot.
Yes.
Okay, so you're gonna share some with faves? You're gonna share some with faves?
No, I did it on mouth.
You put it in your mouth?
Yeah.
So you're not giving Fibs any?
It's ready.
It's ready. He's so funny. So yeah, you guys, if it's Mother's Day, tell her eat up, please.
Get down.
If it's Mother's Day in your country, then happy Mother's Day, you guys. I know it's long past Mother's Day in the USA, but it's Mother's Day here in France. Today's Sunday. Tell her, please.
Get up.
Today's Sunday, May 27 or 26, one of the two. Anyway, you guys, it's Mother's Day, so I'm going to go back to being queen all day. Make sure you guys having a good day. Make sure you guys stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. And if it's Mother's Day, just enjoy the fact of you have been blessed with an opportunity that a lot of other women wish they get the chance to even experience a small amount. Whether you have adopted kids or what godmother, whatever kind of mother it is, just enjoy today. It's your day. Hey guys, since today is Mother's Day, we're heading out for, I don't know what to call it, early dinner, because it's almost 5. So the fam bam is ready and we're heading out to go to my favorite spot, one of my favorite spots. So let's go enjoy the rest of this Mother's Day. Sushi place. We're at Sushi Planet and we are going to order up some sushi. My absolute favorite sushi. Love it. Love it. Tyler food has arrived. Tyler is having rice and chicken nuggets. Is yummy? Yes. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Merci, Mama. It's salad. Ooh, sushi for Mama.
Et voilà pour vous.
Nice.
Alors, pour les sauces, qu'est-ce que je ramène? Plutôt du sucré, du salé? Le ramen est en train d'être cuit.
Soup. Soup. Oui. And this is my...
Aussi, monsieur, vous voulez de la salée également?
Non, plutôt sucré.
Sucré aussi?
No, leave it. This is mine. I'm sure I'm not gonna eat it up, but I'm gonna take home the rest. Ooh. And I'm not gonna eat this because it's Thank you. Let's stay right here, okay? Enjoy your life. Which is this? Is beef or is chicken?
I don't know. Guess more beef.
So good. You definitely have to eat this one. You won't fall. Fix your face. You need to work. It's hot? This one is hot? Big, big. Wow.
Merci. Je vous souhaite un très bon appétit.
Merci. Babe, that's the ramen bowl. Looks yummy. and we are at the beach just chilling and listening to the waves and watching people gallivanting in the water. That's our view. We're sitting right at the edge. So we're just out here chilling. The beauty of living where the beach is. Oh! It's okay, it's okay. Come. It's okay. It's okay. It's just some stones. It's okay. I caught him off guard just dreaming into the waves. The beauty of capturing memories from the babies. At the beach, he doesn't want to leave. We're gonna come back to the beach the next day, okay? Okay? We come back another day. Hi faves, we are back home. I had a good Mother's Day to say the least. To go to the sushi restaurant and top it off, make it perfect. You want to come sit here and talk to the faves? Come. Sit here, here. Come up, come up, come up.
I'm eating my chicken and my rice.
That's what you had at the sushi restaurant?
Yes.
Really? Did you taste my... Oh, what do you say?
Just me, I taste my mouth.
We had such a good time. Of course, I didn't eat off my food.
My sweetie.
Sweetie.
Mama. Okay.
He loves sweetie. Whenever we go to the sushi restaurant, he likes to have sweetie that they have on display.
Where's my sweetie?
Alright, let's give them the Jamaican expression for today, Tyler. Come. He's gone for sweetie. Anyway, you guys, like I said, Mother's Day was good today. And I had fun just, you know, relax and enjoying the day. So in Jamaica, when somebody how should I explain, when someone is acting like a model but they're not, we Jamaicans call them magla. So I made a post on I post a picture on my Instagram page, and one of my friends says under the picture, "Watch the magla, yeah." Simple mean, look at that model, but I'm really not. So to call someone a model, we don't say model, we say magla.
Magla.
Right.
Okay.
Tyler, say magla.
Magua.
Say magla.
Magua.
Magua.
Don't laugh at
He
yourself.
can't say that one good, magua. Alright, what's the French expression?
That's gonna be a word. I have it. I had this word yesterday, and when we went to supermarket, we saw all of these cakes. So the French word for today gonna be gâteau. That's one of my favorite things.
Oh yes.
So it can be cake, but it can be biscuit. We also call biscuit
Gâteau?
gâteau. We can call it gâteau.
Really?
Yeah. It's
I've
like,
never heard
it's not the main word, but it's
Rice. Come on.
it can be used for it. But otherwise it's cake.
Okay, alright. Gâteau.
Right.
Tyler, come say gâteau.
Ghetto.
Very good.
With a smile.
Alright, you guys. There you have the French expression and the Jamaican expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys. We are going to go ahead and just relax and chill. Well, I, for one, he's going to just relax for the rest of the day and enjoy the rest of my Mother's Day. And Tyler is going crazy to eat rice. Say bye, Fizz.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Comment.
Comment.
Like.
Hi.
Catch up and keep up.
Get a puppy pop.
See you guys tomorrow.
Because of tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow.